If someone visiting Tokyo just for a short period asks me, where is a good place for a day trip, I would say Kamakura. Kamakura was the capital of Japan for 150 years from late 12th century, and then Buddhism developed in Kamakura. You can see lots of aesthetic temples remaining in Kamakura, and the town surrounded by the ocean and mountains shows a good contrast of scenery from Tokyo. So Kamakura has lots of things to see, easy to access from Tokyo with frequent trains, but you might find it difficult to see everything in one day trip. So today I'd like to show you some tips to visit Kamakura for a day trip. How to get there, how long does it take, how to get around, and how much does it cost for a whole day trip. So you can get some travel idea and make your own best itinerary. This is my second video about Kamakura, so I'll take a different route from last time and enjoy Kamakura in high range season. Now let's go to Kamakura. Hello friends, I'm in Shinjuku station right now. Today I'd like to show you how we can get around Kamakura and Enoshima in one day. Kamakura is on JR Yokosuka line that comes from Chiba, goes through Tokyo, Yokohama and go to Miura Peninsula via Kamakura. If you are not along the line, you can also take JR Tokaido line that goes to Odawara and Atami direction. This train goes to different direction from Ofuna, so if you are on Tokaido line, you can change to Yokosuka line at Totsuka station, right after Yokohama station. This is because Totsuka is the only station you don't have to go up the stairs to transfer. You can just wait at the same platform you get off. From Shinjuku or Shibuya, you can take Shonan Shinjuku line that is going to both directions to Tokaido line, Yokosuka line. So you have to take the train to Zushi. If you're not on the train to Zushi, again you can change at Totsuka station to Yokosuka line. All these numbers in Tokyo is a platform number to go to Kamakura. It's about 1 hour ride, but there is a bathroom for regular trains too. If you are staying near Shinjuku, you can also take a private railway Odakyu line to Katase Enoshima station. And I took this one coming back to Shinjuku, so I'll explain about it in the end of the video. The major sightseeing spots of Kamakura is separated to different areas of Kamakura. So I separate them into 7 different areas so you can find out what's where easily, including Enoshima, which is often visited in the same day. Number 1 is Kita Kamakura. The station is in quiet neighborhoods in the mountain, and there are several beautiful temples really close to the station, such as Meigetsu for the beautiful garden and Kenchoji. When I was young, Kamakura was a typical sightseeing spot. Busy streets with souvenir shops. I didn't really get a special impression, but once I visited Kita Kamakura, I started to like Kamakura. On the other side of the station, there is a beautiful temple, Kaizoji, and Genjiyama Park. It's a little bit like a hiking route to the park, so you need good walking shoes. Kamakura station area is probably a place everyone goes first. There is a famous Tsurugaoka Hachimangu shrine, and a shopping street called Komachi-dori continues. After you finish your morning sightseeing, it might be good to come down here and have a lunch. Number 4 is the area in the east side of Kamakura station. There are several temples called Hokokuji, Jomyoji, and Ichijo Ekan Sanso. Hase area has 2 major temples, the Great Buddha of Kamakura and Hase Dera temple that you can overlook the ocean. Even if you stay in Tokyo that is located by the Pacific Ocean, you really don't have much opportunity to see the beach in Tokyo. So once you come to Kamakura, it might be nice to see the coastline of the different scenery. The closest station to the beach is either Yuigahama or Kamakura Koukou Mine Station. And the last one is Enoshima. It's out of Kamakura city, but it's a place often visited as a set with Kamakura. The island has a small street with souvenir shops and some observation decks. Today I decided to go to Jomyoji area, Hase and Enoshima. First I took a bus from right in front of Kamakura station. The bus stop is number 4, and you get off at Jomyoji bus stop. While we are on the bus, let me talk about one tips about Kamakura. The tips for the day trip to Kamakura is, depends on the route, but you need to expect lots of walk. So wear comfortable shoes. Make sure you are hydrated, especially in summer. There are lots of coffee shops, so it's a good idea to take a rest time to time. This bus is not a flat rate, so you get on from the back, touch the IC card, and when you get off from the front, you touch the IC card again, and it's automatically deducted. It was 200 yen. So we just got off here, and there's a Jomyoji, which is the name of the bus stop, and there's a Hokokuji. So let's go to Hokokuji first. So I arrived Hokokuji temple. So I have the Hokokuji temple. It was about 10 minutes by bus from Kamakura station, but it is slope and a little far, so I think I recommend the bus. But you can also walk. Very nice. It's very nice here. Very quiet. Very nice. So you can have a small traditional Japanese sweet called rakugan with matcha green tea. Next, let's go to Ichijo Ekan Sanso, which is only a few minutes walk from Hokokuji Temple. Ichijo Ekan Sanso is a garden with a tea house that was built originally in Kyoto in 17th century and moved to Kamakura. You can enjoy beautiful garden by the river with seasonal flowers. It's very beautiful. By the river, there are lots of different hydrangea and some different flowers. Kamakura can get very busy, so avoid weekend for the better experience. Even on weekdays, I recommend you to put the place you like to go the most, go fast in the morning. So you have a high possibility that you can see them with less people, hearing the sound of birds. So in front of Kamakura station, there is a Komachi-dori street. To the Tsurugaoka Hachimangu shrine, you can either walk to Komachi street, looking at different shops, or you can walk this quiet pathway. Now let's go to Yuigahama beach. I know that it's always very busy. another Yuigahama station. Enoden has a separate machine for Visa Touch if you like to use it. Either Visa Touch or IC cards, make sure you touch the machine when you get off. Hey, this is a hotel and coffee shop. It's a soba restaurant. Very nice. Now I came to the ocean. The summer season is coming soon, so they are making beach houses on the beach. California Yuigahama cuisine. Let's go. Kamakura has some Japanese seafood restaurants, but I really wanted to see the ocean today, so I'd like to eat at this restaurant. Yuigahama burger. I think Hase. From Yuigahama, I walked to Hase station for the Great Buddha of Kamakura and Hase dera temple. So if you go this way, there's a Great Buddha of Kamakura, and if you go left, there's a Hase dera temple. So this is a Daibutsu. Typical souvenir shops and tourist spots, but I kind of like it. It's 300 yen. The Great Buddha of Kamakura was built around 13th century, a rare statue that you can still see now. Next, I came to Hase dera temple. It's a temple with several amazing Buddhism statues. You can also overlook the ocean of Kamakura. It was hydrangea season, so they charge additional price for the mountain path. But usually, you only need admission. Now let's go to Enoshima. If you try to spend enough time in each place, probably 3 or 4 areas are maximum you can see in a day. One area in the morning, one on the lunchtime, and one in the afternoon. So if it's your first time and not sure when you can come back, you can put your favorite place into your itinerary and put the most favorite one to the first in the morning, and give up others or save for the next time. Now we arrived at Enoshima. Enoshima is a small island that has shrines, observation deck, and a little street with souvenir shops. You can enjoy the atmosphere of the old Japanese tourist place. It's a really good place to see the old style Japanese sightseeing spots. I know it's probably difficult to go everything, but it's one of the choice when you come to Kamakura. So that was a day in Kamakura, and now sun is setting, so let's go back to Tokyo. On the way back to Tokyo, I took Odakyu's romance car from Katase Enoshima station. The fare including romance car is 1,350 yen. They only run romance car in the late afternoon to the evening, so if you like to go back to Tokyo this way, you might want to check the timetable and make a reservation for the seat. You can do it easily online. It's the best way to go back to Tokyo after lots of walk. If you book early, you can get this front seat without any additional charge. You can relax and you can eat on the seat. And this is the total cost of the day trip to Kamakura for my trip. And total was 7,460 yen. That will be about 55 US dollars. It changes a lot, depends on what you eat for lunch. If you are staying near Shinjuku, there's a way to save a little more. You can get Odakyu Enoshima Kamakura free pass. That is including round trip of Odakyu and one day pass of the Enode for 1,640 yen. Comparing with JR's, it shows how cheap it is. Even if you take Romanska coming back for adding 700 yen, it's still cheaper than JR and Enoden's one day pass. I hope I could give you a snapshot of what a great day trip to Kamakura would be like. Have a great trip to Japan. Have a great week until the next video.